Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to create ManyChat with Zapier. So first, just simply go to google.com and just simply search over here, Zapier with ManyChat. And from here, you should be able to see here, Zapier for ManyChat. So just simply click on this one. And after that, you will have here the ManyChat integration in the Zapier website. So you can start free with email or you can start free with Google. So in my case, I will go with the Google over here. And if you scroll down, you will have an option to pick an app to pair with as well. So it will be depending on you. But for this video, you're going to click on this one. And after that, just simply go for your account or select an account to sign in. And now once you are signed in into your account, it will ask you what's your role. So let's say I'm going to go for business owner. And after that, your company size, I'm going to go for the 1 by 49. And after that, just simply go for ManyChat over here, as you can see. And you can select other application as well. But for this video, we're going to go for ManyChat and click on continue. And now from here, as you can see right away, we should be able to create ManyChat with Zapier. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.